Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will compare the remaining part of the monocot and dicot plant, that are leaf, flower and roots. Well, we have already compared the seed and stem of the monocot and dicot plant. Now we are going to compare the leaf of a monocot and dicot. Every leaf has a tiny transport system. Basically, this system contains xylem and phloem vein in the form of network. In case of monocot leaf, these veins run parallel to each other like this. The xylem and phloem veins or network of veins run parallel to each other in monocot leaf. But in case of dicot leaf, the veins present in the form of network. Look at this leaf. This leaf shows a network of veins. This is a main midrib or vein, and these veins arise from the main midrib. The flower of monocot and dicot have different number of petals. In monocot, there are 3 number of petals are present, or maybe multiple of 3. It means maybe 6, 9 or so on. But in case of dicot plant, the dicot plant leaf has 4 or 5 number of petals, or maybe multiple of 4 or 5. The roots of monocot and dicot are also different. The monocot root are fibrous roots, but the dicot roots are the taproot. What is the difference between monocot root and dicot root, or fibrous root or taproot? Basically, fibrous roots are very thin and grow shallow in the soil, but the taproot are hard and grow deep in the soil. Now we will solve the concept check on page number 47. Summarize the characteristics of monocot and dicot plant under the correct heading as shown in the example. Basically, this table has some problem in its heading because the number of petals in monocot plants are 3 or multiple of 3, while in the dicot plants flower there are 4 or 5 petals are present. Monocot and dicot. The monocot seed has only one cotyledon. Basically, cotyledon has food inside, and the dicot seed has 2 cotyledon. The leaf of monocot plant has parallel veins, means xylem and phloem, while the dicot leaf has network of veins. Veins are present in crisscross manner. The monocot roots are fibrous root. Basically, fibrous roots are thin roots and grow shallow in the soil. The dicot roots are taproot. Taproots are hard and grow deep in the soil. The monocot stem has scattered vascular bundle. Vascular bundle means xylem and phloem. But in dicot stem, the vascular bundles are present in ring form. Vascular bundles are present in ring form. Hope you will understand and can solve this concept check by yourself. Thank you for listening.